Namo Ratnatriyaya, my dear Dharma friends and their followers. On behalf of Vajrayana Federation Nepal, I am Rajendra Man Vajracharya, presenting you the Vajrayani views and Vajrayani talk. Vajrayani views and Vajrayani talk. Since few days ago, we are continuing the Buddhist ordination process. Till yesterday, we have described you the steps of teaching by the elders, by the Mula Chakreshwara, Mulacharya Guru, and the assistant Upadhyaya Guru, the second person. You too taught the young boys whom are getting the red robe to enter the Jina Sangha. That's why till yesterday on that matter, on that subject, we have described descriptively Dharma Dhatu Mandala and Vajra Dhatu Mandala. And after getting the knowledge of Vajradhatu Mandala and Dharma Dhatu Mandala, the young Shravanayas whom are going to be bhikkhus, they will, given the Navasutra Grantha ideas, they will taught the Navasutra Granthas, Pragya Paramita, Gandavyuha, Dasabhumishwaraya, Samadhi Raja, Lankavatara, Sadharma Pundarika, Tathagata Guhyaka Sutra, Lalita Vistara, Suvarna Prabhasa. So, the students newly going to ordinated young boys whom are entering to the Jina Sangha, before hand overing the robe, Guru Patra, the begging bowl, and the Shishalku with a stick kept with Swayambhu Mahachaitya. All the process I have discussed you till yesterday. Then after, the young persons whom are going to ordinated and going to enter the Jina Sangha, and to enter the Jina Sangha, they are giving knowledge about the Jina Sangha by the priest, the Mula Acharya and the Upadhyaya Vajracharya. In this process, again once, they used to recite to have depth knowledge of the Dharma Dhatu Mandala about Pragya Paramita. Dharma Dhatu Mandala, the knowledge of Pragya Paramita will recite as follows. Ya sarvagyataya nayetsrapasam santaichina sravakana या मार्गज्ञताया जगदीतीय कृत्वा लोकार्थ समाधिका सर्वाकार निदम वदन्ति मुनयो विश्व येया संगता तस्मै श्रावक बोधिसत्तो गणिना बुद्धस्यो मात्रे नमो. In this way, the Sangha Mandala, the knowledge about the Jina Sangha also given to them. Om Sangha Mandale सर्व विघ्नाद्य छाये हुम ओम आर्याबलितेश्वराय वज्रपुष्प प्रतिच्छे स्वाहा ओम मैत्रेय वज्रपुष्प प्रतिच्छे स्वाहा ओम गगनगंजाय वज्र प्रतिच्छे स्वाहा ओम समंत भद्राय वज्र पुष्पित्ये प्रतिच्छे स्वाहा ओम वज्रपाणय वज्र प्रतिच्छे स्वाहा ओम मंजु घोषाय वज्र पुष्प प्रतिच्छे स्वाहा ओम क्षिति गर्भाय वज्र प्रतिच्छे पुष्पे स्वाहा ओम खगर्भाय वज्र प्रतिच्छे स्वाहा. This Sangha Mandal knowledge, including the members, the elders, the gurus of the Sangha Mandal, Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. Buddha, the knowledge, Dharma, Pragya Paramita, and the Sangha, the whole body of the Jina Sangha. The whole body of the Jina Sangha, including Aryabalokiteswara, Maitreya Buddha, Gaganaganja Buddha, Samantabhadra Buddha, Vajrapani Buddha, Manjughosa Buddha, Chiti Garbha Buddha, Khagarbha Buddha. To memorize these Sangha Mandala, the members of the Sangha Mandala, to respect the Sangha Mandala, again the recitation will done. Buddhang namami satatam Bharata Padma Pani Maitriyatma Gagana Ganja Samantabhadram Ejne Deepam Paramhito Dedda Manjugosam Vismakambi Chiti Garbha Pranamami Bhaktya. Then again, once the disciple students or newly Shravanir Bantes, they will recite it, the Trisharan Gamana, triple gems. Aham itham nama yavad jivam buddhang sharanam gacchami. Aham itham nama yavad jivam dharmam sharanam gacchami. Aham itham nama yavad jivam Sangam Saranam Gacchami. Saying like this, reciting like this, when they recite the Buddhang Saranam Gacchami, Dvipada Nama Graham means two names they will receive. And when they recite the Dharma Saranam Gacchami, Viraga Nama Grahanam. And when they recite the Sangam Saranam Gacchami, Gana Nama Granam, it means when they enter to triple gems with the Buddhang Saranam Gacchami, they will have two names, one household name and one the Shravar name, disciple name. And when they recite the Dharma, they will unknowingly taken Viraga Nama. It means very free, tranquilized. Name with them, which is recognized by the others, all the sentient beings as well. In this way, lastly, when they recite of the triple gems of Sangam Saranam Gacchami, they will give in the name of the Jina Sangha, Gana Nama Grama. So in this way, after giving all the knowledge by the Mula Chakreshwara to the newly disciples, the Shravanirs, then the Mula Chakreshwara again once given the Sila, Panchashila. After giving the Panchashila and getting by the students, then only the Guru will ready for to hand over the Chibara, ropes to the children. the young disciples. And in this period, again, Guru will ask to the disciples that, are you ready to be a monk? Then the newly disciples, they will go to Guru and they requested, and they will say, we are ready, and also we all are very much aware from the Buddha's nature and the life of the Sangha. How we have to pass Sangha life when we are in the Sangha. In this way, again, the Chakreshwara Mulacharya Guru will tell them that Yatha te arya arhanto jivam adittadana brahma abrahmacharya mrishyavaram suramaireya pramadisthanam nitya gita badya mala gandhe bilepanam varnakabhushanam dharanam ucchasayanam mahasayanam akasa bhojana jata rupa rajata prati grahanito vairata. You all the disciples, after getting this robe and you are entering to the Jina Sangha, then you should leave all the defilements, all the akushaladi karmas and the actions, the deeds which is not according to the seal or the rule of the Sangha. So, you never think for the misconduct. You should avoid always from the stealings and lies. You should apply your life in very normal way, not enjoying the music, not sleeping on the very soft beds. In this way, you have to apply, you have to change your life, very normal life, as the Sangha rule provides you. Then again, the newly disciples, they will respect the Guru and they bowed to Guru and requested them to be a monk, them to also, they request for getting the robe, Shivara, Guru Patra and the Shishalku to apply your life with a monk life. So in this way, the life is continuously, day by day, changing and converting to the Buddha's nature. So, my dear Dhamma friends and the followers, in this way, they will be very aware. They used to apply the Sangha life, Jina Sangha life. Their daily nature will be changing by getting the Buddha knowledge, Dharma knowledge and the Sangha knowledge, along with the knowledge of Sila, Samadhi and Pragya, and also getting knowledge of Vajra Dhatu Mandala, Dharma Dhatu Mandala, Navasutra Grantha, So today is also I'm going to end this program for today, and from tomorrow also I'm continuing on the same Buddhist ordination process, the main day process, Buddhist ordination main day process. We will continue tomorrow as well. Please stay with me continuously to have knowledge of the Vajrayana views and Vajrayana thought. Thank you very much. Pavatu Sarvamangalam.